Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, Hurricane Melissa is at Jamaica's doorsteps.
This is going to be a direct hit, and for some folks in Jamaica, this is going to be the worst hurricane on record as it rolls in.
The powerful Category 4 storm expected to slam the island with life-threatening winds, torrential rain, and towering waves. From St. Thomas to St. James, coastal towns are already feeling the fury of Melissa's outer bands, and we have new videos coming in tonight. Also tonight, fishermen and women racing to dock their boats before the storm's full impact is felt. And in one coastal town,
a bus is at the police station now, awaiting to assist you.
Urgent evacuation warnings as residents are told to seek shelter now. Bracing for Melissa, an historic storm coverage from Jamaica News Page tonight, powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for subscribing. Jamaica News Page tonight's storm coverage starts right now. We begin tonight with a weather alert. Hurricane Melissa remains a powerful Category 4 system inching westward toward Jamaica with maximum sustained winds near 140 miles per hour. The storm center was positioned about 110 miles south of Kingston, moving slowly west at just 3 miles per hour.
It is a major hurricane. It is going to move right into Jamaica. There's nothing that's going to change it at this point. With that, we're getting into our safe locations. The weather has been worsening eastern end, some spots, not a whole lot. And you can see the core of this. All of Jamaica, west, central, and east will experience hurricane force winds. All of Jamaica. It is going to move right in with a landfall very late Monday night. Looks like early on Tuesday. And with that, it is going to bring the destructive winds across Jamaica. So here's the path. There's no route more to the east. There's no route more to the west. At this point, we're just kind of watching where it will eventually come on shore.
Melissa could dump 15 to 30 inches of rain, with some areas seeing as much as 40 inches, leading to catastrophic flash flooding and landslides, especially across southern and eastern parishes. Storm surges of 9 to 13 feet are possible along the south coast, accompanied by large, destructive waves.
The road mash up in a Freeman's Red man, look at Red man. Nobody can cross it.
This is video from South Trelawney along Jamaica's north-central coast, where a section of roadway has been badly damaged. Residents say the destruction occurred after a nearby river overflowed its banks, following periods of heavy rainfall.
Yeah, the road broke off right just in the Freeman's Hall, you know. River mash up the place. River come down, whole place a mash up. Be rain.
This is video from Shooters Hill Bull Bay, St. Andrew, in southeastern Jamaica, where powerful waves, strong winds, and heavy rain are already pounding the coastline. Forecasters warn storm surges could reach up to 13 feet above normal tides, producing dangerous surf and rip currents along areas east of the expected landfall.
Yes,
Residents in this small fishing village say they're packing up and heading to higher ground. Both Portland Cottage and neighboring Rocky Point are classified by the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM) as highly vulnerable areas due to their proximity to the sea. Over on the western side of the island, in Johns Hall, St. James, strong gusts and steady rainfall are being reported tonight, causing major flooding.
Fresh drop.
We're just getting started on Jamaica News Page tonight. Here's what's ahead. Fishermen and women rushing to dock their boats before the full force of the storm hits. And in one coastal community, urgent evacuation orders as residents are told to seek shelter now.
Do not stay here and endanger your lives. Come back tomorrow and rebuild.
Plus, believe it or not, some Jamaicans taking a final swim before Hurricane Melissa makes landfall. You're watching Jamaica News Page tonight, powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for your support. Now, back to the news. As Hurricane Melissa bears down on Jamaica, fishermen and women across the island rush to dock their boats, following urgent warnings from government officials to come ashore and seek shelter before conditions worsen.
I don't feel like this has time here, you know. This a storm now, the man them a move them boat. Oh, but I feel like Melissa a joke. See that? This a down our beach. Move, man them a move them boat. Right now, the wave them get high. I show it shortly, see there? Move, the man them a move them boat. Alright now I come move one fair brother, I have a time to chuck right now. See there? No joke about Melissa. Oh, you lost this right now.
Yo, you're not going to pull it off, man. It's too big. I look at my workplace, you know?
Yeah.
So I go in my workplace.
Oh, that turn up.
New tonight. An emergency alert system has triggered evacuation warnings for residents in the Old Harbor Bay fishing village. This follows law enforcement officers driving through the community, urging residents to seek shelter immediately as Hurricane Melissa approaches.
And endanger your lives. Come back tomorrow and rebuild.
Yes, that's true.
Please, you are feeling.
That's true. Yeah, man.
Meanwhile, residents of Raytown and Kingston have begun evacuating the seaside fishing village following evacuation announcements from law enforcement officers.
The community, you are asked to leave. This is a flood-prone zone. You are asked to leave. Buses will be provided at 1 p.m. for all members of the community to leave to the Holy Family Primary School in the Rockford space. There is no shelter in and around this area. And once you are here, when the storm comes, you will not be assisted to leave. All members of the community, prepare yourself to leave at 1 p.m. today. Bus at the St. Michael's Primary School. You are asked to get ready to leave. This is a flood-prone zone. You are asked to leave.
Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby was also seen assisting residents during the evacuation process. You're looking at video from Milk River and Clarendon along Jamaica's south coast, where rising storm surges have swallowed parts of the shoreline.
Look there, all of these right here used to be walkway. That's crazy.
Jamaica News Page tonight understands that these are residents of Alligator Pond in Manchester, along Jamaica's south coast, taking a swim just hours before Hurricane Melissa is expected to make landfall. Officials are urging everyone to stay safe and avoid the shoreline as conditions rapidly deteriorate.